to discuss on three critical challenges faced by the companies on storing data in the flat file system and how these challenges led to the evolution of the new storage system, the database. We have considered real-time examples for this discussion to make the viewers better understand the challenges logically. The three critical challenges, also called as 3CC. The 3CC faced by the organizations that led to the evolution of the database are: the first critical challenge is storing data efficiently in flat files. The second CC is retrieving data efficiently from flat files. And the third CC is data security in using flat files. These are the three critical challenges, or also called as 3CC, faced by the organizations in using the flat file system. Now, let's discuss on each of the 3CC with a real-time example. Data storage. Here, we will discuss on how the data is stored in flat files and in the database. Let's see what's the problem with the flat files. File size limitations. Because of this limitation, the organization has to store the relevant data in many files rather than storing them in the same file. This inefficient data storage process consumes more time to get the relevant data by looking into many files. Example: in this picture, we are able to see the vegetables are stored in many small bags. If I want to pick only tomatoes out of them, then I have to search all the small bags to get them. This is really a time-consuming process because I have to look into many bags for tomatoes. This is the same case when we try to retrieve similar data from multiple flat files. Let's see what happens in database. Here, all the data is stored in one single place, and this efficient data storage mechanism improves the performance while getting relevant data from the database. From this picture, if all the vegetables are in one single large basket, then it will be really easy for us to just look into one place and get all our required vegetables. Now let's look into the second critical challenge: data retrieval. In the flat file, data is stored in a more unstructured way, because of which data retrieval becomes very difficult. In the real-time scenario, it can be compared to a vegetable basket or a container which has a mix of all the vegetables, and if you want to pick only onions out of it, then we have to spend a substantial amount of time in searching for it in that basket. Whereas in the database, it is stored in a more structured manner in the form of rows and columns called tables. As we see in this picture, all the vegetables are sorted out and placed neatly in a tabular form, which enables a quick retrieval for any vegetables we require. Now let's look into the last CC, which is data security. Flat files having confidential information placed on the desktop are highly vulnerable because it can be viewed by anyone who has access to that system. Whereas data stored in the database are highly secure because every user should have his own credentials to log into the database to view his data, and he can view only those data which is permitted to view for viewing. Also, the database has inbuilt encryption techniques to encrypt certain data. Example, the financial data can be encrypted. This makes the database a highly preferable environment to store all kinds of data. Thanks for watching this video, and please leave your comments below. For more information, please visit www.ipuvi.com.